Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Digital Lab. My name is Bobby Rastogi, and today's video I will be talking about the importance of executive presence in a workplace. In professional environment, technical skills are not enough to succeed. How you present yourself, communicate, and influence others plays a major role in career development. This is where executive presence become important. Let's explore what it means and why it is matter. So what is executive presence? Executive presence refer to the ability to project confidence, credibility and professionalism in the workplace. In it is not about authority or job title. Rather, it is about how others perceive you when you interact, communicate, or lead others, or lead decisions. It includes the way you speak, your body language, your decision making confidence, and your overall professional behavior. In simple term, I will tell you like executive presence is the quality that makes people trust your leadership and take your ideas seriously. Let us take the example for the workplace example for the demonstrating importance. Let's consider a simple workplace scenario where two employees presenting ideas in a meeting. One present with confidence, clear communication, and structured point, maintaining eye contact and professionalism. And the other has ideas but speaks hesitantly and lack clarity. Even though they may have a good suggestion, the confident presenter is more likely to influence the decision. This demonstrates how executive presence affects impact and perception. Let us take another example. Uh, During client interactions, a professional who communicate clearly and remains composed under pressure build trust and credibility for both themselves and the organization. The impact of executive presence. First, professional image. Executive presence enhance your colleagues and managers perceive you. It reflects reliability, professionalism, and readiness for responsibility. A strong professional image increases trust and respect. And second point will be communication and confidence. It improves clarity in communication and express ideas assertively. Confidence reduces misunderstandings and ensures your voice is heard in decisions and decision making. Third will be the leadership perception. People with executive presence are often seen as natural leader. They influence team, handle challenge calmly, and motivate others even without formal authority. The fourth will be career growth. Organizations often promotes individuals who demonstrate leadership potential. Executive presence signals readiness for higher roles, increase opportunities for professionalism in promotions and career advancement. So now I would like to conclude it by saying that executive presence is a vital professional quality that combines confidence, communication, and credibility. It shapes how others perceive your leadership potential and significantly influence career progression. Developing these skills through practice, self awareness, and continuous learning can help professionals stand out in the workplace. So that's all for today's video, and thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.